In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best HelloFresh Black Friday deals. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for HelloFresh Black Friday deals. Right here, scroll down a little bit and you will find this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts for Black Friday. So for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this one with $30 discount, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says copy code, and here is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can use this one to get a $30 discount. Also, if we are going back right here to the main search, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use for some discounts. So right here, for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with extra 18% discount, all you need to do is tap right here where it says show coupon code. And here is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this one in order to get an 18% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.